Today, I'm gonna do my mom's makeup. Gonna do her makeup, yeah! Hello, my lovelies. This is Jennifer Trees, and I am here with another awesome video. Today, I am doing my makeup on my mother. So, okay, first of all, let me start out with this. How do you feel about this makeup transformation you're about to partake in?
I'm excited, but a bit apprehensive.
Okay, so we discussed earlier, because I'm more of a vibrant kind of person. You're more neutral. You want more browns and more natural.
I'm conservative.
Yes, so I'm going to do natural, like neutral browns with a glam kind of thing. So just stay tuned for that. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is start off with a good foundation. And the thing is, I don't do foundation, so I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, so she has this and this, so we're going to go with it. So this is Mary Kay CC cream stuff and a paintbrush.
It's a foundation brush.
It's a foundation brush, aka paintbrush. Oh, it's a squirter. Okay, look. That's really dark. Are you sure you want to do that?
Mm-hmm.
That's really dark for your face. I guess you are dark. She's like really dark compared to me, isn't she?
I'm Italian.
I'm a quarter Italian. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that. Like that.
That works.
Okay. And then you blend it. You need to get a beauty blender. That might be a good thing to do. Mother. We need tweezers. So look. Brush on, brush off, brush on, brush off. That's how you do it. It's a new technique. Okay, the rest is stuff that I can do.
Okay.
Is that like blended? You're supposed to blend it down. Okay.
Okay. Get my hair out the way.
Alright. Now I'm going to use my concealer and all that, so it's definitely a lighter tone than what she has, but it may end up looking really good, so we'll see.
Or not.
Or yes. Okay, this is my Makeup Forever full cover concealer. Let's do this.
You should use these fingers because that's what the less pressure goes under your eye.
Okay, I'm just putting it on. Okay. Actually, you know, Mary Kay teaches your pinky. Like this. Or like your ring. Oh, they say your ring finger.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
It's because you apply less pressure to the tender skin under your eyes. Therefore, hopefully, you will have less wrinkles.
Makeup lessons with Mom. Yeah. Guys and girls watching a makeup tutorial thing on my mom. Comment what you think her age is.
I don't know if I want to see the comments.
Here, let's do that. I don't know why I just put concealer on your nose.
There's something wrong with my nose.
No, I'll show you. We're gonna contour everything. Have you ever contoured?
Yes.
Okay. The other thing I'm gonna do is
I'm looking at all the concealer on my nose.
And then the other thing is, okay, I have this, this is my Faux Color Big Cover that was just in my Wish video, and this is a very light concealer, which will be very good for your eyelids, which is what I'm using it for, because the light color will make it so you can really see your eyeshadow good. Keep your eyes closed. Eyebrows. Okay. We're gonna do, I have this one. Do you have an eyebrow brush? This is super light. This
I
is
don't-
like very, very light color. Do you do anything with your eyebrows? She doesn't do anything with her eyebrows.
I thread them when I need to.
You thread yourself?
No, I can't do that myself.
Okay.
That takes talent. No, I prefer to have them thread as opposed to wax them. It just, that way you're not red afterwards.
Ew. I don't do either. I tweeze. Alright, so to start with our eyeshadows, brows are done. I'm going to use our BH Cosmetics again, the Modern Mask. Okay. This. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to do this light color first. You need this is your, close your eyes. Stop, open. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Alright, so next I'm gonna do the dark color on the outside. Okay. Do you normally put dark on the outside like that and then the lighter on the inner corner? Do you ever do more colors than like that?
I do a light shade on the top, and then I do the medium shade on the top lid, and then a darker shade in the middle. And then I blend them.
I really did not absorb any of that information. It was like talking to a 2-year-old because I just did not get any of that. Okay. Maybe I'm just concentrating on what I'm doing. So next, guys, I have the dark on the outer corner, and then I'm gonna go in with a medium lighter brown color.
I like browns because my eyes are brown.
Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna blend this out. Now I'm gonna put some more concealer on the inner corners to really brighten up that eyelid. And I discovered something really awesome. This is what I've been using ever since I discovered it on my BH Cosmetics Mirrored Bronze Paradise. Use the highlight shade. Yeah, but no, look. This goes there. It's a highlight, but it's really good for eyelids. Okay. It's shimmery. Shimmer, shimmer.
That's shimmer.
Okay. No, that's not it.
I said on too soon, sorry.
Nice, nice. Okay. Do you normally wear an eyeliner?
It depends on my mood. If it's in the evening, sometimes I'll wear an eyeliner.
Okay. Let's see. All right. Look up. Black. Okay. Okay, so before I go any more into the face with your eyelashes and all of that stuff, we're gonna do, I want to do the powder. First I'm gonna do some finishing powders. Good. Okay. Powder, bronze, blush, highlight.
Okay, because I don't normally do bronzing.
Okay. Do you highlight?
I feel
I'm gonna underneath with some shadow. shadow. Alright, now for the blush. Okay. Pretty blush, can you see it? No. How do you make an Indian blush?
What?
I don't know, it's not a joke. She's dark like an Indian. You're waiting for the punchline.
Yeah.
Okay, highlight. Take that. And then I will finish your eyes and your lips. So for highlight, we'll use this pretty color on the bronze paradise. You said, do you ever highlight? Do you ever do this?
No.
Next, we're going to do mascara. Do you have mascara?
I do.
Let me see what you have. Because I got some cheap shit. Alright, so just, yeah, and then just look down. What kind of brush? Look down. Look down. There you go. We'll just do it like that. Close them. So we're gonna let the eyelashes dry, and while that is drying, I'm going to do your lips. They're overdrawn.
Hmm?
You overdraw. I'm gonna give you Kylie Jenner lips.
What is overdraw?
That means you overdraw and make them bigger.
No. Why do I want to do that?
Okay, let me see. See, they already look bigger. Okay, now. Okay, now mix. It actually is very pretty. Let me see. Now we have one more thing to do. And this is our gel magnetic lashes.
No.
Yes.
But you already put mascara on.
But you have to. Well, and I'm doing the magnetic ones instead of gluing them because they're easier to take off.
I've never heard of magnetic.
So your choices are magnetic or glue. What you want?
I don't want glue.
Let's do magnetic. Okay.
Mm.
So this is gonna be fun. Have you ever worn fake eyelashes?
I have.
Look at that, Mother! That's so pretty! I love it! That's pretty! Wow, what do you think?
Wow.
That is like a big difference, isn't it? That is like, wow. Okay. Alright, so now take your headband off. Like, which way do you part it? This way or this way? Would you part?
It's in the middle.
Or you want to do? Are you trying to do a Morticia look? we'll just part it in the middle.
No, I just normally like.
Try a swoop. Let's try a swoop. Oh, see? Okay. Alright, man, she's single. She's single. She's gorgeous and she's single. Guess her age in the comments below. And leave a message if you want to go on a date. With her. But yeah. What do you think?
I do look like Morticia.
No, when it was parted sideways. See? I think it's pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Do you love it?
I do.
You look gorgeous. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it turned out really, really amazing. I was really doubting myself there for a minute. I was like, what am I doing to her face? I really was like.
That's good.
Okay.
Tell me.
But I think it turned out really good, and she's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm happy to say my mother. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. So give this a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for more awesome videos. It's gonna be right there. So subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.